With any layer in Descript that involves changing colors, you can set the color using the eyedropper tool. For example, let's say we add a rectangle, and instead of white, we want this to match the shade of green of the timeline. So with that layer selected, with the rectangle selected, by clicking on it, you'll see in the properties bar, the fill heading here. And if you can't see your properties bar, this button right here will toggle it open and closed like that. So under the fill heading with our rectangle selected, we click the white button because it's currently white, and we have a gradient to change colors. We can use a hex code. We can use an RGB code, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to use this eyedropper by clicking right there. And then we can go into the timeline and we select the pixel that we want to get the color from. So we select it, and our rectangle now matches that shade of green. And it tells us here what the RGB color is, what the hex code color is, and where it lands on the gradient. So that is how to do color match in Descript. You can also do this with text. You can change the color of fonts. You can change the color of any layer that allows you to change the color. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up.